All right, so we have the question we have to integrate this expression. Remember, we expressed it as partial fractions, which is here. So let me rewrite the partial fractions. So the topic here is integrating partial fractions. Okay, so here we need to integrate. When we decompose this expression, we had 1 over 17 brackets 2x plus 1 plus, we have to get the integral of 8x minus 4 over 17x squared plus 4. So first thing we need to do, let's just expand the denominators so that we have proper a proper denominator to integrate. So we have 1 over 17 times 2x, that's 34x plus 34x plus 17. And then for this expression, we have 8x minus 4. So 17 times x squared, that is 34x squared. 17 times 4, 68. All right. So as I said, whenever you're integrating fractions of this kind, right, you get the natural log of the denominator, because we've seen here our numerator is 1. So all we need to do is first we get the natural log of the denominator, 34x plus 17. Then after getting the natural log of the denominator, we derive the denominator. Z over dy dx. So we're deriving 34x plus 17. Okay, on this side here, as I said, your numerator has to be 1. So we just take this x minus 4 here. Then we have the integral of 1 over 34 x squared plus 68. All right, then we integrate. So we say that we have to get the natural log of the denominator. So natural log over 34x squared plus 68. Natural log of the denominator, then you derive the denominator. So you have here dy dx 34x squared plus 68. Okay, that's all you need to do. You make sure 1 is on the numerator, then you just get the natural log of the denominator and you derive the denominator. So let's look at what we get here first. So on this side, we're going to get the natural log of 34x plus 17. Right, then here we have to derive. So 34x, this is x to the power 1. We said The exponent you multiply it by the coefficient. So 1 times 34, you get 34. Then you subtract 1 from the exponent. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So you remain with 34x to the power 0. And as I said, x to the power 0 is the same as 1. So you just write here 34. Don't need to write 34x to the power 0 because that x to the power 0 just becomes a 1. You're going to say plus 8x minus 4 natural log 34x squared plus 68. The derivative of 34x squared, so we said when you're deriving, this is called the power rule. So you say the exponent multiplied by the coefficient. 2 times 34, that is 68. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So you have 68x to the power 1. Right? These other 68 here, as I said, when you're deriving constants, they just go. So this should be your answer.